am not gonna put any moist stuff on my body.
Alexasunshine 83, it's always sunny here. Boop.
Hey Sunshiners, Sunshine 83 here. Hello, happy sunny day. What is up? Today's video, we are doing something that I never thought I was gonna do again, but I was feeling kind and figured I would give this thrift store mystery box another chance. Now, if you guys didn't see my first video on Good Fare 7 months ago, then you missed smells interesting. And that was actually my first time trying a thrift store mystery box. It didn't go well, but because of that video, I ended up trying out a bunch of different thrift store mystery boxes, from bulk vintage to Depop mystery boxes. And what I've definitely learned is you have to be very aware of what you choose to be in the mystery box. Of course, Depop is a little bit different because it's a little bit more curated. And I just kind of realized that I feel like I didn't give Good Fare a good shot. I just did not choose the best bundle for doing a mystery box. Now, was it completely my fault? I don't think so, just from the other Good Fare videos that I have seen since doing mine. All of them basically have the same experience as I did, so I definitely don't have, honestly, hope for this video, but I did my best, and I chose 3 different bundles where I feel like you can't go wrong. Will they still go wrong? I don't know. I have the big box right here. And yeah, let's unbox this Good Fare box. Now, like I said, I got 3 different bundles. I got the Preloved mystery rain jacket for $25. It comes with 2 different rain jackets. I got them in a large, and I just really need a rain jacket. I then got the Preloved granny sweatshirts because I'm all about that granny life. It comes with 2. I got them in a large and they were $15. And then Preloved retro knit sweaters. I got a set of 2 and an extra large. I believe that was the only size that they had available, and that was $40. So altogether I spent $80. Now, I will be washing everything before I try it on, so I'm gonna have to film this video in 2 different days, so if I look a little bit different, that's why. Yeah, I'm gonna look really different because I dyed my hair. Last time, that stuff was moist, and I am not gonna put any moist stuff on my body. First sweater, they have the sweaters at the top. If you guys have watched my thrift with me's lately, I've had a hard time thrifting sweaters for fall, and so I figured hopefully maybe they would have some good sweaters. And this first one does not have a tag. Oh, it feels so itchy. That's like my biggest pet peeve when it comes to sweaters: itchy and shedding. It's an interesting color. It doesn't feel moist. It's a little hairy, like just of the material. I am going to include a talk through try on portion after each item. I don't have too much to say about it now, but sizing wise and look wise, I think it's fine. I hate this sweater. I hate it. It's so uncomfortable. Oh, my arms. Oh, I even have a t-shirt under because I didn't want to feel that. Even on my neck, it feels like a bunch of pins and needles. And if you're layering, totally awesome. Maybe it wouldn't bother you, but I can feel the scratchiness. It reminds me, I feel like I've talked about this in a video before, but this one really reminds me of that sweater that SpongeBob made. Who did he make it for? And maybe for Squidward, a sweater made out of his eyelashes. That's what this feels like. Overall, the look of it, I think it's cute. It's just the material that it's not good. We then have this next sweater, which also feels itchy. I do like the pattern. I feel like this is a really fun pattern. I just don't know, because of the material, that it is the most wearable with regards to being comfy. So something to note, if you end up buying the retro sweater bundle, it's probably gonna be an uncomfortable material. If you're totally fine with that, then just looking at them wise, love them. But the material, not a fan as of right now. I still have to try them on, so we will see. This one I honestly thought was gonna be a lot itchier. It does shed quite a lot, but it's not that itchy feeling, and I actually kind of like it. If it had a better texture, maybe I would like it even more, but compared to the other one, definitely so much better. I like the pattern and everything. I like the little mock neck right there. I think it's cute. My biggest pet peeve when it comes to sweaters like this is you can see the fuzz, and it makes me uncomfortable. You can see the fuzzies on there as they float away, and it's just, oh, I hate it. I hate it so much. We now have the raincoats. Oh, I like this color. Again, like I said, you can't go wrong with this. This is actually really nice. It has a nice flannel, fun flannel inside. That looks really cool. So, I mean, I think this is a really cool one. There is a tear on the pocket in the front. like right there. Here is the raincoat. I made the mistake. I washed it and it's been 3 days and the inside is still wet. So I'm going to put this inside out and let it dry. But this is what it looks like. Honestly, it's a really great raincoat. I think it looks so cute. I have no complaints for it. The inside is nice and fun. I like the color. It's great. It's just damp right now. And then this one isn't the same material. This one's like a looser, like windbreaker material. That one seemed a little bit more like a proper, like almost kind of like rain boots, like that material, like a rain boot material. It looks great. It looks really great. This is a really fun color. Both of these colors are very fun. Not necessarily something I would usually go for, but I'm totally down with it. I can totally see these with like, you know, some light denim and like a t-shirt, and I'm like walking in the rain. Kind of feel like my mom in this one. Like I feel like this is a jacket that she would wear. It's definitely very like bright pink. Got our little, there's so many fuzzies in there. Oh my gosh, why are there so many fuzzies? Like there was dust in there, but I washed this, so it's my dust. Anyway, yeah, I really like it. I think it's cute. Hopefully it'll save me from the rain. Oh my god, this one's so cute. Okay, so now for the granny sweaters. This one's so cute. What did I get them? I got them in a large. This, I mean, I guess it kind of looks like a large. It looks like somebody just thrift flipped it and like drew this with like puffy paint, and honestly I'm not mad. I think this is so cute. I cannot wait until Valentine's Day to totally wear this. Again, okay, $15 now looking at it. I think that makes sense, like 2 for $15, because it's not the most like extravagant sweater or anything, but it's great. I think if you were doing a mystery box and you're picky, do the sweatshirts. Don't go for t-shirts because they totally mess with you, and they put the photos of like Harley Davidson or like band shirts and they're like, this is what you could get, and then you end up getting like middle school team spirit type of t-shirts. This one, honestly, I mean, just from this one, I would recommend this little bundle. $15, like, yeah, I'm totally into this. I'm not mad about this one. I'm actually like really in love with this one. I don't know why. It is just the cutest thing in the entire world. It's really, really cute. It warms my heart. Although I did say a large, and this does fit like a kid's large, not like an actual adult large, like a kid's large. The neck hole, I mean, maybe I just have a big head or something, but it was like, it was kind of difficult getting over my head. So just something to take note, but I have nothing negative to say about this sweatshirt. It is amazing. I love just funky sweatshirts and t-shirts. I totally down for that. And then we have this one, which has a little bear on it. This is cute. Just looks like that. It's adorable. I really like the color. It's cute. Yeah. Yeah, both of them, they make sense. They do kind of give me like granny vibes. So this one I think is cute. Again, it honestly literally feels like a child-sized large. The arms are kind of tight, and I mean, it is nice and kind of loose around the, I would say, stomach area, but like the arms are kind of tight. You know, it's so cute. It's a sweatshirt. I'm gonna wear it. The only thing is, honestly, for some reason, this kind of creeps me out. Like, it just seems, reminds me of like a horror movie or something. I don't know why. There are some stains on it. I don't know if you can see. Nothing major, honestly. It's not my like favorite sweatshirt in the entire world, but I'll still wear it, kind of like, you know, tuck it in and that type of thing. I feel like it's a nice like spring sweater because of the color. And you know, it's got the cute little hearts and stuff. Alrighty, so honestly, out of all of them, I think the granny bundle is definitely my favorite and probably the only one I would recommend. The raincoat one, like I said, it is good, but I feel like for $25, like just go to the thrift store if you can. Like, they were okay. I needed a rain jacket, so now I'm good. I got 2. The sweater one I don't recommend just because of the material. That's just something that I should have actually taken into account, especially for how picky I am with sweaters. Do I think Good Fare got better? I would say no, just from the other reviews that I've watched, but I think if you know how to like work it, so like not doing the t-shirts from them, going for something easy where no matter what, you're probably gonna like it. It's very similar to when I did the bulk vintage one. I did Christmas sweaters because like you can't go wrong, and the thing is, a thrift store mystery box, it is a risk. You may hate everything, so why not try to pick something that will make it very difficult to hate? Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought about this, especially compared to my previous review, and also if you know any other thrift store mystery boxes I should try. Of course, if you like thrifting and secondhand fashion, make sure to subscribe right down below and hit that little bell to be notified every time I make a new video, and also don't forget to follow follow me on Instagram, alexasunshine83, to keep up to date with me during the week. I will see, what's today? Today's Thursday. No? Yeah, today's Thursday. I will see you guys on Sunday with a brand new Sunny Sunday video. I hope you have a super sunny day. Enjoy life, be happy, and I love you lots. Bye!